back to our channel. And today we are going to be reviewing, taste testing, and rating 5 different kinds of oranges. So we have the Washington, Valencia, Tarocco, Cara Cara, and Moro blood orange.
Awesome. And they're all organic from the garden,
Yeah.
from the backyard. And
all up there on our hill.
we're trying to see what tastes the best and what would you, as all of you would recommend, any kids that love to recommend fruit trees to grow. And what's your favorite variety? All right, what's the grading? Just your own individual?
Yeah, we're gonna do it by our own individual feelings.
All right, so from left to right we have Eva,
Hello.
Brianna,
Hi.
Lisa,
Hi.
and Sophia.
Hello.
All right, so we have the best reviewers in the house. We have awesome, homegrown, backyard grown, for that matter, organic oranges. And we're gonna try them out. Brianna, you wanna cut them?
Yeah, I'll start with the Washington Navel.
Perfect.
I'm excited for that one.
Yeah, let's see what
This is a
it
really
looks
big orange, actually.
It is a good, decent size.
Wait, can I see?
It's actually really heavy.
That is a big orange.
It's the size of a fist, and it's really heavy.
Wow.
Whoa. It's a big orange.
It's very kind of heavy.
Oh.
And
Wow.
That was so
that's
sweet.
about the Washington orange. It's the most popular orange grown in the world.
So juicy. That looks
It looks
so
juicy.
good.
Smell it. Give it a smell, because I think it's one of the best smelling
pass
oranges.
it on one side.
Oh,
This
So
literally
refreshing.
smells like a whole gallon of orange juice.
I could die of it. This
Outstanding.
is so
It's dripping down my fingers.
It
That's how
feels
juicy
it looks
it is.
so juicy and
Set a
refreshing.
half on the tag. Just one half on the tag, and the other half just cut so you guys can try it out.
I'm so
Watch your
excited.
fingers.
I'm so nervous.
Okay, make it faster.
Ah, I can't cut. It's so juicy.
Just cut it in 4.
It looks very juicy.
It is really juicy.
You can see all the juice coming out while you cut
It's
it.
shiny.
Just cut it in half.
Wow. Thank you.
Here.
Brianna, you can cut that in half.
Oh
No.
my god. Show it to the screen.
It's so juicy I can't even
Here, this is what it looks like.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let me see. Sophia has the right approach here. Outstanding color. Outstanding color.
You can see it's a little juicy inside.
A little bit. It's
extremely
You might want to help
juicy.
the girls cut because
Yes,
she's
please.
having
It's so
a
juicy I can't even.
You just cut and you guys test.
It makes your
the first
hands
one.
very sticky.
As you can tell, it's extremely juicy and it's super orange.
Looks
So I'm
so good
excited
in
to
the
try
sun.
it.
Yeah.
You
So
think
this
it's
is
gonna
number
be your
1.
favorite?
Again,
The Washington.
Navel.
Washington Navel. All right, give Brianna.
Let me give
Okay,
Sophia
perfect.
one too.
Super nice
All right.
glow.
Did you try it? Did you just Sophia get
Let's
one?
try it.
Yes.
Okay,
All
let's
right.
try it.
3, 2, 1. Try. Okay, let's cut the other ones so it goes faster. And we're gonna cut the Valencia.
I really
we're
like
cutting
this
the
one.
balance.
Wow.
This one's really good.
Okay, compare this one.
Wow.
They look actually the same, except this one
juicy.
just looks less juicier than the other by a bit.
Okay.
But they both look the
perfect.
same.
All right.
This is so
I
juicy.
really like it.
All right.
Okay.
Now you get a different flavor. This is the Valencia.
Yeah. Here's one for
It just,
you.
Thank you.
to me,
Smell
and
it.
it's unfair to compare. I mean, they don't ripe at the
Smell it.
same time. So Washington does have an
wow.
advantage.
This is a really strong smell.
It has a very nice smell.
Okay.
Oh, this one's definitely more sour.
I was just gonna
Mm-hmm,
this say one's that. not sour at all.
Wow.
Okay.
Really
So
good.
different. Okay, and then
This
we're
one
gonna
was
cut.
more juicier.
Then we're gonna cut the
The Tarocco blood orange.
Tarocco blood orange.
And this one's gonna be really red inside.
Okay.
It's
I'm
blood orange.
excited to try that one.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. It looks like
And the whole
So
thing
this
isn't red.
is a blood orange, so you can see the difference.
It's a little pink.
It's got a little pinkish tones in it, so awesome. Go ahead. We'll put half here, so we can see the difference.
Wow.
And I really like the.
super pretty.
Wow.
Okay.
Definitely a color difference.
A
Yeah,
color
there-
difference
Yeah.
on this one.
Yes.
There.
There you
Give
go.
it a smell test too and see what it smells like, if it has any.
Wow.
It does have a very different smell. Like
Okay.
a little.
Give
It
it.
smells more minty.
It does.
Like a basil.
It does. It definitely does. That's what I was thinking.
Like a basil mint kind of smell.
Yeah.
Okay.
More of a garden smell. You know, like those type.
Ooh,
Let me try it. Oh, wow.
tastes like pink lemonade.
It tastes actually really good. Wow. That's
Wow doesn't
really nice.
tell anybody anything. So
It's really good.
It's good.
Amazing.
all right. And what's this? This is
This is a
the
Cara Cara.
Cara Cara, one of the most beautiful colored oranges. It's a blood orange. A couple of facts about the Cara Cara. You want to share something, Brianna?
Well, I believe that they are the sweetest, and I think that they have the prettiest color.
It
Orange?
well, it does, but it's a variety discovered in I think Venezuela in 1976, and it's a navel hybrid between two oranges. And look at that.
Here, let me get you one. There.
Okay, thank you.
It's so
Wow.
pretty. It's like a coral color.
Looks a lot more.
Wow. Smell it.
Wow. It definitely smells different. So they all have a different
It's a
smell.
little minty.
This one's my favorite.
They all taste the same, but one of them is different. Yeah. And that's really good.
Okay.
The taste is just so, it's really
really
It
sweet.
tastes like pink lemonade.
The last one
does.
is
The Moro blood orange.
more blood orange. I think it's got an interesting color. It's not fully blended in.
It's
so
just
got
on the
like
outside.
Just on the outside. Give it a shot.
I already know what
Okay.
my ratings are.
I don't know, they all taste the same to me. This one's definitely more red,
Yeah.
because it's the blood orange.
And the ask is for you guys because we have 5 varieties we grow.
Here, let me get you an
Is
orange.
to
Here you go.
also try out and share
Smell.
which one do you like.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's
We
a
said the
strong.
same thing.
And what does it mean? Oh wow.
It means it has a lot of flavor.
I didn't expect it
And
to
a very
taste
strong
like that.
taste.
Yeah.
I mean, very strong.
Oh, wow. Oh. I
Okay.
actually really like this one.
You like this one?
Yep,
What
I know my
does it
ratings.
have any undernotes, tones? Is it sweet? Is it sour?
It's
definitely
sweet and then sour.
Both together,
Yeah.
but it's not even sour though.
Okay.
It tastes
We
like a
have-
sour little candy.
All right. Let's
Exactly.
make this happen.
Can't wait.
Sophia's all
I'm all
oranged
juiced.
out.
I'm ready.
All over the
I'm all
place.
I have
juiced.
mine.
All right. Do you guys have favorites?
Yep.
Yep,
I definitely have a
All
I have
I
mine.
want you to put your name in front right here on the 1, 2, and 3. So go ahead. So Brianna, number 1, Moro blood orange. Interesting.
My number 2 probably Cara Cara. I really like it.
Okay.
And then number 3 probably. I like the Valencia.
And you
It
like
was
the
good.
Valencia. Interesting.
Right.
Mine would be, my first favorite would be Cara Cara. It's really good. Second favorite, Washington. Third, this one.
Okay.
Oh.
Sophia, your turn. Go for it.
Okay, my favorite is this one.
Okay,
Oh.
the Cara Cara.
My second favorite one is Valencia.
Valencia.
Yeah, that one.
And then the third
And then
one?
my third one is this one.
The Moro
Oh.
blood orange. Okay.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay,
We have
go
a
sit
lot of
down.
different ratings.
And I can tell you right now, I'm actually very surprised. Last week we tried this and it was a different rating. And I tell you what, a week for having ripe oranges to compare makes a whole lot of difference. And I think this accomplishes that. But I can tell you right now, we have 4 votes on more blood orange, 3 votes on Cara Cara, so 2 blood oranges in the top. And then we have 1 vote for Tarocco and a tie between the Valencia and the Navel. Last week, Washington was the number 1 pick.
Washington
And
is
Cara
really
Cara.
nice. It's really
Well, there
good.
you go. That's the review for organic oranges in Southern California. It is sometime, well, it's January 17, 2021.
21.
Any thoughts, any closing points here?
Make
if you were to
sure-
pick one, you picked yours.
This one.
That one.
This is like my
Wow.
go-to one.
I agree with her. Washington had a very sweet taste, like only sweet. It was so sweet
Yeah, it's
that
overly
I
sweet.
didn't expect that. And overall, all the oranges had a very different taste from them all.
This one actually
from
has
normal
the-
to
Whether they were
more red.
sour, more of a floral taste.
So this
one
is
has the
sweeter.
least,
The Washington is
rind.
sweeter.
Yes.
Valencia's got more of a
Sour.
Tarocco is also sweet, but it's got undertones.
Yeah.
Cara Cara
Very
apparently has some blueberry or berry notes.
Yeah, that's definitely what I
And
tasted.
then Moro Blood, I haven't tasted it today, so I don't know what it tastes like. But last week it wasn't fully ripe, and it had more of like a earthy tones. I don't know if that's the case right now.
Yeah.
All right, ready to go?
Yeah.
Yep.
Make sure to eat clean, eat green, like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to get notified when we post a new video.